What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today is another Primark haul. I feel like I haven't done one in a little while, so I went in and I did a little shopping spree. I spent around £200 I think, and I literally got so many cute pieces. I feel like you guys are definitely gonna want to watch this whole video all the way through because Primark really did pull through this time. If you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy. Welcome to my channel. If you want to stick around, be sure to subscribe down below. You guys know the drill. But if you guys want to see what I picked up from Primark for winter/spring, then without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so here are my four Mahusive bags. I cannot wait to show you guys all the cute pieces I picked up. I'm gonna start off strong. I'm gonna start off with the item that I saw right by the entrance, and it was this adorable cardigan. As you can see, I'm really into my cardigans right now, and this one is so adorable. It's very similar in color to the one I'm wearing right now, but this one is giving such Chanel vibes. Look at these little buttons at the front. Also, the texture of it is kind of like knitted, so it's quite thick. This cardigan was £19 and I got it in a medium, as you can see, and this is actually in a collaboration sort of range with this person called Paula. I don't know how to pronounce that surname though, but how freaking adorable. This is giving such like expensive bougie vibes, so I totally had to pick this up. I sort of imagine this either done up or open with like a really nice sort of midi dress. I know it might still be a little bit cold for this type of thing, but with the cardigan over the top, I felt like this dress could be wearable. I really like the way that this dress has been constructed. It's very like seamless the whole way down. Obviously it does have a seam on the sides, but like the straps, they just look very seamless, and I love Primark's seamless ranges. They have so many cute like seamless bodies and tops right now. So yeah, I picked this one up. It was £7 and I got this in an extra small, and color wise, how cute are these gonna be? This is gonna be like my perfect neutral tones kind of outfit, so let's pop it on and see how it fits. All right, so here's the first outfit and what it looks like on. I'm in love with this cardigan. It just feels so nice on. It feels very, very warm and just cozy, and I just love the texture of it. It's almost quite like a rigid knit. I don't really know how to describe it, but it just looks so expensive. So this is what it looks like with the dress underneath. The dress is literally everything. It is so buttery smooth. Look how flattering this looks on. And it's literally like the perfect length. It's like a midi dress, not too long, not too short. Also, I want to show you guys what the cardigan looks like done up, because I feel like that is also a very cute look. If I was to wear it done up, I probably would wear it with like a pair of jeans instead, just because I feel like it doesn't really go with the skirt, but I think it looks absolutely gorgeous in its own right. As for the dress, I think it's a really nice body adhering dress. It's very comfortable, very smooth, so I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. All right, now the next two items I sort of envisioned together as an outfit. So the first one we have is this Borg black vest, which is actually zip up. I absolutely love the rounded kind of neckline, and it is just so cozy and thick. This I got in an extra small and it was £12. I just absolutely loved the look of it. It's gonna keep me warm. It's great for layering. I envisioned this with either like a knitted jumper underneath or like a slick sort of body adhering turtleneck. I guess I'll play around with it and see what kind of works with this. And then for the trousers of the outfit, I went for these neutral, smart kind of trousers. I'm not gonna lie, the second I saw these, they literally gave me such Zara vibes, and I have seen ones like this from Zara that are like £40+. These, however, were only £16, which definitely does not break the bank as much. I got this in a size 8, and these are made from 50% recycled polyester. That is pretty good. The pockets on these are not real. I mean, they might be, maybe if you unstitch them. The trousers are just so smart, but casual at the same time. I feel like you could wear them for both occasions. So I guess let's try this little outfit on and see how these work together. All right, so here's the outfit. I feel like I'm kind of proud of myself because I'm stepping out of my comfort zone just ever so slightly, and I'm trying to add like a little pop of something to kind of break up the all nude outfits. You guys know me, I love my all nude outfits. I just feel like there's something about them that just looks so polished and expensive and just clean. But I do agree that sometimes they can be a little bit bland. So adding something like this that's kind of like a little bit of a shock to the system definitely just makes a little bit of a contrast, I think. I absolutely love this vest. It is so cozy. It definitely makes a big difference. I feel so much warmer than if I was just wearing the little turtleneck underneath. You can obviously wear it like this, or you can wear it done up all the way. Let's see how that looks. Okay, I actually quite like that as well. I do think it's a vibe. The vest does have pockets, so it's really cozy, really convenient. As for the trousers, they're so well fitted. They're definitely giving all the Zara vibes. I really like the darting / stitching that we have across the front. I do really wish that these had real pockets that you could actually use, but sadly they do not. Lengthwise, these are perfect. They go down to my ankles, so I really like them. I think this whole outfit is a little bit different for me, but I do really love this vest, so I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. Now moving on to the next outfit, we're going for more cozy, warm kind of vibes. These are the type of outfits that I literally live in. First up, we have this Borg kind of turtleneck fleece. How adorable is this? I absolutely love the stitching on like the top half of this fleece. It then does zip down all the way to there. I love the slight like high neck that it has. It will just keep your neck nice and warm. You might not even have to wear a scarf with this if you wear it out. And yeah, it's just adorable. It's the softest thing ever. I got this in a size small and this was only £13, like so cheap. So I kind of imagine this with some leggings underneath. Who doesn't love a pair of leggings? I've been really on the hunt for like a nice pair of brown leggings, and I finally found the perfect pair. I feel like Primark is just famous for their leggings. So I got these in an extra small. I really wanted these to be quite fitted. These are actually fleece lined inside, so all the cozy vibes. Like look at that fleece. It's gonna be so nice. These were only £7. I feel like these are gonna be so cozy and just like my go-to everyday pair of leggings. All right, guys, this is what I'm talking about. This is like my dream outfit. I just feel so warm and so cozy. I never want to get out of this jumper. It is just so soft, so warm. I love the fact that you can obviously have it open or you can do it all the way up. It is literally the coziest thing ever. I just feel like a little teddy bear. I'm obsessed, and the leggings are also just equally as comfortable. I feel like this outfit is so cute, especially if you paired it with like a pair of Uggs, which I've got on right now. So again, these two items are a winner. I feel like it would be an injustice to rate it any lower than 10, so both of these get a 10. All right, now moving on to the next outfit, we have another one that's kind of a little bit more dressy, but still super cozy. So for this one, the first item I have is this amazing long cardigan. This is once again from that same collab range with that person called Paula. I'm really sorry to be ignorant, but I don't know who that is, so I'm gonna have to do a bit of researching after this video. But yes, this is it. I absolutely love this person's vision. Honestly, if I collaborated with Primark, I feel like these are the kind of pieces I would have brought out. Like everything is super neutral, very tonal, and just so on trend. I just love how timeless this is. It's like a woolly kind of thick sort of cardigan. I absolutely love this neckline. I don't really know how to describe this, but it kind of has like a fold over collar on the sides that kind of just like sits on the shoulders. It then has a belt so you can cinch it in the back. It has these large pockets for your phone, which is perfect. This is literally my perfect long cardigan ever, and this was only £25. For the quality that is actually really good and affordable. So that's basically what I built this outfit around. For the underneath, I then picked up this top, which I realized it's very summer / spring appropriate, but there was so many cute and adorable like strappy tops, and you guys know I love my strappy tops all year round. So this necessarily isn't just for like summer. I like to layer things up, and then if it gets hot, I'll just, you know, take it off and then have this underneath. But yeah, I really love this sage green kind of color. I feel like this will be perfect for winter and transitioning into spring as well. I got this in an extra small, and this was £7 again. So yeah, really adorable. And this is actually a body, I forgot to mention. If you've been on my channel for a little while, you'll know that I absolutely love to pair sage green with like a cream or a light beige. I just feel like it goes so well. So I picked up another pair of these like fancy looking trousers. These are like super dressy, but at the same time, I feel like I could get away with wearing these in a more casual manner. I absolutely love like the shape of them. They're very loose fitted. They have like that pleat going down. These actually have pockets, real pockets, yay! And my favorite part was these little buttons and like this belted sort of piece on the side. I just think that's so cool. As you can see, I got these in a size 6 and these were 16 pounds. Now to complete that outfit, I did also pick up a little accessory. I got this handbag. I just saw it and I couldn't resist. Once again, I swear I've seen things like this at Zara. The quality is amazing. It's got like this gold kind of detailing on the top, which kind of acts as a mirror, which is super cool. I could totally touch up my makeup in this little reflective bar. Look at that, you can see the camera. That's you guys. This was so inexpensive. It was 10 pounds and there's actually an additional handle inside. So yeah, let's try the whole outfit on and see how it looks. All right, so here is what the outfit looks like all together. Now, the first thing I kind of noticed is the fact that this kind of clashes with this. If it was just the trousers and the top, I feel like these colors work perfectly fine, but this one, I feel like it's just a little bit too dark and it sort of clashes a bit. Is that just me? Am I the problem or does this look okay? Let me know. The bag and the cardigan are literally like meant for each other. They almost like match in color. It is crazy. The cardigan is so cozy. I just have to put this out there. Let me put this bag down. By the way, the bag is great. Love it. The cardigan, however, steals this show, you guys. The belt is right here, so let me just do it up so we can see how that looks. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is literally like wearing a bathrobe, but like outside, like an acceptable bathrobe to wear outside. And it's actually stylish. It is so cozy. It is so comfortable. I can't even explain to you guys. The fact that it has such big pockets as well. Oh my gosh, the dream. The dream. Whoever designed this needs a raise. It's just so cute. I love it. It's so cozy, so comfortable, and still stylish. So yeah, that's the cardigan. I need to stop raving about it. Now the outfit underneath, we have the little body, which I do like, but I wish that the body color was just a slight bit lighter, like a little bit more sage green, because it's actually showing up quite dark now. As for the trousers, they are again a winner. These are just so well fitted around my waist and my hips. They have real pockets which you can actually use and they just look stunning. They look so much more expensive than they were. Just be warned, these are kind of like quarter length, so they're not super long all the way down, but I don't really mind that too much. I have to say, I really like all the items individually. I'd give all of them a 10, but all together as an outfit, I don't know if it works that well, so I'm gonna give the overall outfit like an 8. Okay, I have a question for you guys. Do you remember last year around springtime when the trend of pastels and like super bright neon blazers came out? Oh my gosh, I loved that time. I really am hoping that pastels are gonna come back, especially like the super boxy blazers. I just loved the look of them. To be honest, I feel like that is quite likely because pastels are a thing every single spring. I feel like it always just comes back around. So I picked up a little pastel kind of suit. This is a whole matching 3-piece kind of suit. So first up we have the vest. Now, I don't know if you can wear this as just a top. I got this in a small because they didn't have an extra small. I would have preferred it to be extra small, but we move. This was 12 pounds. I have a feeling that you might have to wear something underneath this vest just because it does look quite low, but I guess we'll see. So that's the top, I suppose. We then have the skirt. Now, there was actually 2 options. You could either get the skirt or the matching pair of trousers, but I really, really liked the look of the skirt. This is actually a skirt, you guys. Look at that. I just love a good old skirt. Like, it's just so much more convenient. It's way better, but it still looks like you're wearing a skirt. I absolutely love this fold over kind of effect. It is completely a pair of shorts on the back, but it's just such a vibe. I got this in a size 6. This was 12 pounds. Chef's kiss. Love this. And now the last piece of this whole suit is of course the blazer. The blazer is just everything. The pockets are not real. Very sad about that, but it's okay. It's okay. It's got shoulder padding. It's very, very like boxy fit. I love this. I got this in an extra small again. This one was 22 pounds. I mean, comparing 22 pounds to some of the prices that you get at Zara for very similar type of blazers is just criminal. So yeah, I cannot wait to try this whole outfit on and see how it looks. Here is the three-piece suit on. I love this so much. The color is just perfect, and I just love like the fit individually of every single piece. The blazer is perfect. It's like not too oversized, but the length is great. It literally sits at the same length as the skirt, which I love. I always like the lengths of my suit sort of coats to be like the same uniform length, so this is great. Now the vest underneath actually is okay to wear as a top. For some reason, I really thought it was going to be super revealing and really low scooped, but it's actually okay. I do think it looks a little bit too oversized on me. Perhaps it could do with a little bit more taking in just to kind of make it a little bit more fitted. And the skirt is literally perfect. Look at that waist. The waist is literally so cinched in. It fits in the hips and it doesn't look super tight. As we all know, suit and blazer kind of fabrics are always super rigid and they don't really have much give or stretch, but this is really well fitted to my body. Like I said, this outfit is definitely a little bit too cold for now, but I'm hoping when it gets a little bit warmer in the spring, I can definitely wear it then. I just think it's so pretty. I love the color. I'm giving this whole fit like a 9 out of 10. And now the last outfit we have is another super like casual at home kind of loungy outfit. Once again, this is from that Paula collab, and the first item we have is this really casual sweatshirt. It just says Candace Spain on the front, and then on the back it's got like coordinates. It's super slouchy, very just like relaxed. I love it. It's so long as well, so you could totally wear this with like some leggings underneath. But I did get the matching pair of shorts which look like this. They have that same like coordinates thing on the front, which I think is a cool touch. Otherwise these would have been very plain. They just fasten with a drawstring, and yeah, these are really adorable. I love the look of them. These were only £7. I think these two together is such a cute outfit that you can totally wear like now if you're wearing at home, or you could transition it into spring and summer. And lastly, to complete this very casual kind of outfit, I also got a pair of trainers or sneakers, whatever you want to call them. These are once again from the Paula range, and look at these, you guys. Are they not perfect? These were £20. £20. They're literally a dupe for the Naked Wolf trainers. Like, the sole is so freaking huge. I do own a pair of the original Naked Wolves, and like weight-wise, they just differ very greatly. Like, these are super light, whereas the original Naked Wolves are just so heavy, which can make you a little bit tired wearing them, so maybe this is a good thing. I got these in a size 5 for anyone wondering, so yeah, let's try this whole outfit on and see how it looks. Okay, here is the loungy kind of outfit. I've also got the shoes on. I love this. It's so comfortable and so just like relaxed and loose, but somehow it still looks really put together. I feel like it's the color that really makes it. It's really funny because not that long ago, I was trying out a whole bunch of loungewear from Kylie Jenner's new brand called Kai. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the eye. And I was complaining about like the fit of it. The quality of Kai's loungewear was like mediocre, but it was so expensive. And now that I have this on, I can really compare. This was so cheap, but like the shorts actually fit really well. And to be honest, there's not that much difference in terms of quality. Like, I way prefer this. So that just goes to show expensive doesn't always mean the best. I think this is a really great kind of casual lounging sort of outfit. I love the little print in the back. So again, I'm gonna give this outfit a big thumbs up. I think it deserves a 10 out of 10 again. All right, guys, so that was everything for today's Primark haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the different outfits that I picked up / found like the best in Primark right now. I'm honestly super happy with everything I picked up. Everything was just such great quality. I really like that Primark is kind of upping their game. And price point wise, I feel like everything was still super affordable, so it's a win-win, you guys. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video by smashing that big thumbs up down below, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you here. Also, let me know what other videos you guys want to see like in the next month or so, because I am planning out my whole month right now, so if you want to, you know, see anything special, then definitely let me know. But that is all from me. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video as always, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.